Hello guys, and today I am trying to figure out this problem that I'm using ChatGPT to use. If 1 ounce is equals to 0.0625 pounds and 1 pound is 16 ounces, meaning 1 pound is 60 ounces, but how the hell does that make sense? Because one ounce is 0.0625 pounds. How does it go into ounces equals pounds to then those pounds turning into ounces? How does we go from ounces turning into pounds and then that turns into ounces again? And then the cycle repeats. How does that make sense? X equals 16. That means you add 0.625 pounds 16 times to make 1 pound if you write the formula. But your timesing it. That's such a word. Not times ingredient. But you're timesing it. Damn, my eyes getting smarter per second. Why multiplication works. Repeated addition is the same as multiplication. Instead of adding 0.0625 pounds over and over 16 times, you multiply 0.0625 by 16. But that's not what I wanted. I want to know how many times 0.0625 can be added to make 16 ounces. 16 ounces! I want to know how many times 0.0625 pounds can be added up to make 16 ounces. Not timesing, not multiplication, but adding. And you might be saying, and you might be just saying something different. That I'm stupid and all that stuff. And why multiplication works. But that is where the problem lies in. Not my figure of speech, not my incorrect uses of words, but where it actually lies in the factor. Now you may just think that, oh, I'm just a dumb total child, but I am actually smart. I am smart, but adults don't see it. They don't realize that I'm smart. They don't realize that I'm actually the smart one. They don't realize it. They just think that every children is dumb because they're children. Not all children are dumb because they're children. All children can be smart as well. But adults just don't realize it. Like my theory like my other theories that came out to be true are true. Okay, now let's stretch. Repeated addition is the same as multiplication. No, it ain't. There's a reason why it's called two things. There's a reason why it's called addition and multiplication. They're two different fucking things. No, they're not the same. Instead of adding, that's not what I'm asking. But I found the answer. I'm gonna find it again. But ounces equal to make pounds to pound more pounds to make a pound. It's in here somewhere. Let me just go find it. Found it. So 0.0625 ounces times 250, no, not ounces, but pounds, times 256 to make a pound. Or ounces, if you want to call it. That's a pound. And that would make an ounce. So meaning 0.0625 ounces times 256 would make an ounce. Would make a pound, a complete pound. How does times 256 wrong, just wrong. I know this is right because it's AI, and I know AI can make mistakes with ChatGPT for all that smartness. Now she's trying to Is there an equation for infinity? No. Or is there an equation for infinity? See, did that red thing. It runs like sophisticated, but high school thing actually know this codes and actually problems to actually figure out these problems. Yeah. So even if some approaches too, even though it has infinite times k Japanese. One zero. Now we're just gonna experiment. Don't be trying to call me. If you just typed in my phone number onto your phone or your tablet or whatever you have a phone pad into, or just wrote it down, please don't be calling me, because I already know it won't be working. This is a Galaxy tablet S7 FG, or model name SMT738U. So don't be trying to call me. Don't be trying to call me. But I still swear that with me. Let's just see what it could work with. Question. Give me an impossible question. I'm watching some YouTube on the way. It's trying.
Hey, you finished it, guys.
What happened?
Chowder has got to be one of the greatest cartoons of the late 2000s. Releasing just before the 2010 Renaissance with shows like Regular Show and Adventure Time, Chowder is an absolute hidden gem in Cartoon Network's library of mass.
Let's go see what these are. Well, some should be good.
How do you do that when you've always turned? You need to eat.
According to a study, if you appears when you should do this, drink black coffee, spread cancel their own weddings. See, top three goals people write a book. Yeah, okay. I don't want impossible questions. I want the true and blue impossible question that no one can ever solve. And why is everyone going to Body's Basics? I guess I'm gonna have to end it off today. I'm gonna probably do a part 2 series for this video. I am releasing 2 new IBS pictures and 3 new videos that you can check out on my channel. And today will be the 4th video. I'll give you a sneak peek or tell you what the other video is going to be about. Or what the upcoming videos are going to be out. Let's see. Let's just say it has to deal with Lego and involves Lego. Probably shout out to Lego for making my childhood and millions of other childhoods great. Bye.